What is acceleration? Acceleration is defined as the rate at which velocity changes. This tells us that an object is accelerating if its velocity is changing. On the other hand, the object is not accelerating if it's not changing velocity. That is, a constant velocity means there is no acceleration. An object cannot be accelerating if its velocity is constant or not changing, no matter how fast the object is moving. So to tell whether an object is accelerating or not, we may look at its velocity to see if it is changing or constant. If the velocity is changing, that means there is an acceleration. If the velocity is constant, then there is no acceleration. In the previous video, you learned that velocity is speed with the direction. So, the velocity of an object changes when the speed changes, when the direction changes, or when both the speed or direction change. Thus, an object accelerates when 1. Its speed changes. In the illustration, the boy is accelerating because he is speeding up or increasing his speed. In the next illustration, the boy is also accelerating because he is slowing down or decreasing his speed. Both cases, the speed changes. Next, the object also accelerates when its direction changes. This ball, for example, is accelerating because it's changing its direction. An object has constant direction only if it is moving on a straight path. Since acceleration also applies to direction, it is classified as a vector quantity. In the third case, the object also accelerates when both its speed and direction change. To summarize, an object accelerates if it changes velocity. That is, when, number 1, it changes speed, or it changes direction, or it changes both speed and direction. Based on what you learned, can an object accelerate while moving at constant speed? Yes, by changing its direction. Can an object accelerate while moving at constant velocity? No. If the velocity of an object is not changing, then it cannot be accelerating no matter how fast an object moves. Now let's practice. Tell whether each object or body in the following situations is accelerating or not. Number 1, the car is running at constant speed on a circular track. The car is accelerating because it's changing direction. John runs at 2 meters per second for 5 minutes on a straight road. John is not accelerating because he is moving with constant velocity. Both his speed and direction are not changing. An apple is falling from a tree. The apple is, yes, accelerating because its speed changes. As the apple falls, its speed increases. That ends our lesson today. Our next video will be about calculating acceleration. Thanks so much for watching. Till next time. Bye-bye.